The city of Tehran comes to have a population, during business hours, from 20 million, resulting in a dense traffic of motor vehicles that pollute the atmosphere surrounding Tehran. The proximity of the Elburz Mountains fosters concentration of pollutants over the city. The fight against this serious problem should be approached in several ways. One is the use of electric vehicles. The technology of electric vehicles is fully developed, although it does not extend its use by the lack of an adequate network of charging points for the vehicles. Galatechnica's Energetics manufactures the only car park with PV solar tracker architecturally integrated, which includes charging stations for electric vehicles. Obviously, without the necessary charging network, it is impossible growth of the sale of such vehicles. Moreover, it is often forgotten in this industrial sector that, environmentally speaking, it is absurd to recharge an electric vehicle with a connection to grid, being an electricity which has been generated by burning fossil fuels. Only the use of renewable energy for electric vehicle charging respects the philosophy of using of this type of technology. In this sense, our solar tracker's Marquee produces clean energy that is recharged in vehicles while they are parked. Besides, the energy of these PV canopies is exploited to supply power to nearby buildings when the parking does not be harboring electric vehicles. Thus, these Marquees are amortized themselves, selling power to third parties, buildings, and giving free electricity to the electric vehicle that takes refuge under them. In the Islamic Republic of Iran, they are developing electric motorcycles that could be a relief to pollution generated by traffic in big cities like Tehran. Adequate support to these companies, the development of a network of charging points and an agreement to attract one of the largest manufacturers of electric vehicles, could be part of the solution that Tehran needs regarding pollution. So far, no country has implemented the necessary network of recharging electric vehicles, which is essential prior to the purchase of this kind of vehicles. The European Union legislated in 2020, aiming to install 795,000 charging points for electric vehicles in Europe. Today, there are less than 20,000 and practically none of them meets the essential feature of renewable energy recharge, not the network. The Islamic Republic of Iran can be the globally example, a policy supporting electric vehicle involving relief from the pollution of big cities like Tehran, and can enable them to become world leaders in this growing industrial sector.